Good afternoon. This is just going to be a short one showing the difference between what's considered a variegated hosta and what's considered a solid hosta. This one right here you see is solid green, and this one is another one that's really a very nice hosta. It's golden threads and silver needles. Here, this hosta is fragrant bouquet, and it's one of the hostas that's very fragrant. Here's another hosta that is variegated, and it's one that's considered to have basically all the things important. It has this pie crust edge, it's multicolored, it's pretty large, and it grows pretty fast. Here's another variegated one. So that's the difference.